Morning, guys. We are pulling up to this accident here. As you can see, it's pretty rainy this morning. Also a little chilly. It's have a cold front blowing in right now. So, like, ambulance is here. So I don't really know of any details. See a truck way off the roadway up here. Go ahead and pull up here behind the deputy and jump out and see what we got going on here. What you got this morning?
Right over there. EMS should be out of the way.
Right, Toyota Tacoma. Hopefully this rain isn't messing up the pulling up here. What's that?
Stay out and help, but
No, you're good. Get in and get dry. Okay. We're gonna winch that up backwards there. Chilly this morning. Look like it's too terribly bad, but definitely got some front end damage there. There's a little culvert. Looks like they might have jumped over or something there. I don't know. EMS is pulling up here in just a second, I believe. Looks like they're getting out right now. As soon as they get out the way here, we'll get in there real quick and start working. This is one of the perks of the job. 24/7, rain or shine. No matter what kind of weather we're in, we're out there working. So, all right, ambulance is pulling up. Cannot see nothing. All the rain. I'm not trying to get too far off the road here because of the rain. Call that good, and we're just gonna winch it to us. Hopefully y'all can see because of the rain. We're gonna get out and work here. Around my neck light. Buttoned up here a little bit maybe. Right there. Don't really want to get too far off because we've had a little bit of rain tonight. So we're just going to reach out and drag this thing to us. Deep ditch right there. I don't know how well you can see it. I don't really see any tire tracks leading to it though. Oh. Hopefully everybody's good, because I was actually a pretty good friend of mine that was in that F-250 when I first pulled up. Hopefully, he's there. Come around this side. Oh, just gonna be grabbing the axle wherever we can. Snugged up. I don't really expect it to want to move on us, but just in case it does, assuming we have to point the same direction. Maybe the tie rods are good so we can steer it. Hopefully we got keys. Yeah, we got keys. Always nice when they use the keys. Hopefully it steers now. It does not steer. Okay. This one might be interesting. Pedals. The pedals are gone. The pedals got mashed down there. Oh, I got it in neutral. Let's see how it does, because I can't steer it. Kick over on us. So in that case, I put it in park and set the brake. The rear end will at least slide straight towards us. The front end we're just going to have to deal with. Probably going to end up having to snatch block over. stuck to back all the way up to this thing. Gonna winch it out. I might have to, might have to reposition. Hopefully get it up. Now we're gonna have to drag it over the other way. A little bit too far for that. Get the rear end up, control it a little better. It's coming up at a really, really bad angle. Further here. My bed's floated down. So now I'm gonna spin my truck under it if I can. But I don't have a board. So I pull forward. The bed will let me. Turn hard passenger. Right here. This would be if the bed will let me. Can't see. About straight there. Yeah, pretty good. Probably gonna have to try to walk back some. It'll let us. Yeah. Idle it back up. PTO's running slow. Turn our wheel back straight here. Wheels turned as I walk it back out, it's wanting to push the front end back over. Go here. Front end here where I can get blocks on it. And then it don't matter which way the wheels are turned. There's gonna be one of them ones that just fight us this morning. So I could have drug the front end around and a number of other things, but this is how I want it. I prefer to try to drag it around here and put my blocks. This one wants to stay on. Of course, you can always slide the front end over by chaining it how I've done a few times there. Chain it opposite side of the bed pouch and then it'll slide right over, center itself up, which it's not too bad right now. Sure, my bumpers up on me good. My last couple clips. Ooh, here comes the wind. Couple chains real quick. We'll get out of the road. We're just going right across the way with it. Call that good. Let me come back here and talk to this man here real quick. No paperwork or nothing, right?
No, it's just a crash.
All right, Tempo. This is Central, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, appreciate it. Yes, sir. All right. We can get right down the road here with it. Probably finish strapping while we're out the road. We ain't gotta stay here no longer. Oh, here comes the wind. All right. Oh. Clean up our truck here. Turn off the lights so we're not blinding ourselves. repositioning to our central yard. We got it winched out. We're back on the road. Cold, wet, rainy morning. So if y'all would keep the driver and the occupants of the vehicle in your thoughts and prayers. We are headed to the yard. Appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all would, please subscribe, like, and share.